In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get working coupon codes for Amazon. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you two different ways and how you can get working coupon codes for Amazon. The first way will be coupon codes specific to certain items, and the second way will be general coupon codes. So for the first method, when you're on the homepage, you should actually be able to see this option that says vouchers. And when we click on that, we can see a few different Amazon vouchers. So you can actually sort this by whatever category you want, or you can just browse through this to see something you like. So if you needed a new pair of shoes, for example, you could click on shoes and you could see all the deals that they currently have for footwear and other accessories. Now the second method would actually be to sign up for Amazon using your email and also sign up for their mailing list if possible, because they actually often send out coupon codes that you can use for your Amazon orders. So as you can see, this one expired on October 31st, but for this deal they will actually give you £5 off a £15 order instantly. And if you allow yourself to receive emails from Amazon, you will eventually get these coupons which you can use for your Amazon purchases. So that's how you can get working coupon codes for Amazon. I hope you found this video helpful and thanks for watching.